Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the repair safe and gathering evidence. Unplug the television and wait 5 minutes so capacitors discharge. This prevents shocks and protects components. Next, open the back panel carefully while grounding yourself. Look for swollen capacitors, burn marks, or loose cables. Use a flashlight to inspect connectors and the power supply board. Once done, note any blown fuses and confirm you have a multimeter, ESD strap, and proper replacement parts before proceeding to repairs. You now focus on the power board because most failures start there. First, measure incoming AC and check the main fuse for continuity. A blown fuse often signals downstream shorts. Then probe the standby and 5V rails with the multimeter to confirm voltages. If they are low or missing, inspect diodes, regulators, and electrolytic capacitors for high ESR or bulging. Replace only the confirmed bad parts, reassemble enough to power on, and monitor voltages while you power up to verify stable outputs before moving on. You finish by validating functionality step by step. Reconnect the display panel and backlight connectors, power the set, and check picture, sound, and remote response. If the image is missing but backlight works, inspect the T-Con board or LVDS cable. If the backlight fails, revisit the inverter or LED drivers. Once satisfied, perform a firmware reset and run any built-in diagnostics. If things go wrong, key tip: replace boards one at a time to isolate which board causes the failure before buying multiple parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.